What's up, guys? Happy Friday. Hope everyone has having a pretty good day. Today, I'm having a good day, guys. On the week, this was a really good week, guys. Let me see what I actually did today, or this week, sorry. This week was a very consistent week, guys. 10 green days in a row, ever since last Monday, I think, or a Monday before this past Monday. I am up on the week, 13,400 roughly. So not bad, guys. Definitely a great week on the week. I'm definitely happy about the result today. I made about $4,000, $3,800. So definitely was pretty good. I think I could have traded a little bit better, but overall, I didn't really take much trades in the afternoon. I got a lot of follow through in the morning with a few things that I'm going to go over. If you guys watched the previous video, you guys will understand the first stock, and I'll go over few of the other ideas, but let's kind of jump right into it. I don't think the video is gonna be too long today. I'm gonna go over probably 3 trades, so yeah, let's just jump right into it. All right, guys, these are the 3 stocks we're gonna go over. We're gonna go over the T, the BBAI, and the LAZR. So today, if you guys watched my previous video, you guys would know this T was actually very volatile. I think Wednesday on the daily. Let me see. Yeah, gap down on 10/22, so Wednesday. Yesterday it moved a lot. You guys can see how large these candlesticks are right now. So if you guys go back, you guys can see small, big, small, big, whatever. It kind of just moves like that. And then the past 3 days have been very big. So I've kind of been taking that with the grain of salt and been trading it very, very aggressively. So you guys can see on the 15-minute as well. Market open, this thing popped up like crazy. Showed a lot of bullish momentum there. Obviously, it's on a downtrend, but if I'm playing scalp, I'm not really too worried about that. I'm more worried about if it's readable. This stock happened to be readable. I pretty much just played this up in the morning, guys. You guys could see, played it very aggressively. Made about $1,500 on it, so I will take that. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize. Look how big this 15-minute candle is. So when I played this, guys, this thing was moving up, and you guys see Qs barely moved today, but actually they didn't move at all. They based all day. But yeah, caught this T as a scalp, pretty self-explanatory. Let's go over the BBAI, which was another scalp as well. No chart trades today. I did try actually a few chart trades, but they didn't really work, so didn't really make much on them, if anything. So, but yeah, BBAI is the next stock we're gonna go over. BBAI has been on my scalp watch list for the past, maybe like 8 months. So I definitely am familiar with this stock a little bit. Today, I actually was getting some follow through on it. I noticed that it was very volatile as well. You guys could see on the 5-minute, all these candles look huge. So it might be basing, but again, it's still moving so much where we're able to read it and kind of play it as a scalp. So that's pretty much what happened to that. I was playing this a little bit throughout the day. It did stop working though. I think it stopped working. Let me see. Stopped working around, I guess, 1 o'clock. Yeah, I think it slowed down a little bit, but then in the afternoon it picked up again. In the Discord, we call it power hour in the last hour because for some reason, like, people either make a lot of money or stuff slows down. But today actually ended up moving a little bit in the afternoon, which was good follow through. And then that last one we're gonna go over is my loser today, LAZR. So LAZR actually played really bad. Someone in the Discord, Daniel, actually caught this yesterday, and I kind of fumbled into it today. It actually looked good off level 2 and looked very, very good as a long, and I got into it a little bit later in the day, and you guys can see it barely moved. So didn't really have much follow through on that. I lost about $150, but that is my smallest winner today, or smallest loser today. So I would definitely take that. Obviously the goal is to minimize the losses. Obviously you don't want to have any losses, but if my losses can be, $150 as a loss and make, a little over $3,000 or whatever in wins, then that's worth it to me 100%. So you're gonna get back in trading. It's all about the game. If you guys watched this past week, you guys know that I had a lot of losses this week. So today I'm very happy that I traded well enough not to have a lot of losses. So yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Short video. Freezing today. I gotta have a hoodie on because the AC is like 68 degrees in here. But yeah, today's Friday, so I'm probably going to go grab some dinner. We had a great week this week. I'm definitely happy. So yeah, guys, if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments below. I'm definitely going to be going over every question or comment you guys have this weekend, especially. Usually on the weekends is kind of like my day to prepare for the next week and also catch up on work that I didn't complete the previous week, if that makes sense. So like I said, guys, thank you guys for watching. Cracked 300K as well on the year. So yesterday. So if you guys haven't seen that recap video, go watch it on Instagram. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.